Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a 54-inch bar, and that's measured from tip to tip. 063 gauge, 3/8 pitch, skip tooth chain. And this is a Canon bar, custom built. And it has a mount for the McCulloch Super Pro 125 or the Homelight 750. And it has a roller nose on it. Bar's in very good shape. If you need a long bar for your big Homelight or your McCulloch chainsaw, here's a great buy. Just want to show you how it fits on that Homelight. There's a 750 crankcase. See how that fits on there real nice. Great buy if you need a long bar for your big Homelight or your big McCulloch chainsaw.